Hello and welcome back to channel T Lover. So if you are new to this channel, please make a subscription on our channel and also do not forget to click on bell icon for our latest update. As before, today also I am here with a new video for you, and we have got a new byte and we are going to decrypt and recover the data from the infected PC or laptop. If you need any help from me, then you can directly make a contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram, and also you can contact me through the website that I have kept in the website of my blog. Okay, so I'll provide this link in the description below. First of all, when your PC or laptop get infected by a virus, then you will find an interface like this. So your all the file will be decrypted like this type. So you can remove this virus or you can extract the data from this PC also. Here I have written the article for that one, so you can check in my blog. So this is the article. I have clearly mentioned about the drive where you can recover the data from. We can recover the data from local disk E, F, G, H and I. So except local disk C. So you can recover the data from C type because all the system will be corrupted by the virus. So if you want to recover the data from C type, then you have to boot your computer in a safe mode. For booting your computer in a safe mode, you have to go to the start and you have to type run. Now you have to type mscofig. So when you type this, you have to press enter over here and our interface will open. So here you can go for the boot option, and in this boot option you can check on the safe boot and you go for the apply. So after 30 seconds your computer will be booted and reboot automatically. You will be in the safe mode for recovering your data. So I'm not going for this process. Now I'll go for the recover because I do not have any data in the C drive. So I'll recover the data from D drive. So for that you have to go to your PC. First of all, you have to format your PC. So you have to clean your C drive. It means that you have to install a new OS on your PC. So for that you have to go for the source box and you have to type reset. So you can find a reset this PC. Click on this reset this PC. And here you have to go for the get started. After clicking on the get started, you have to choose two file over here. So you have to click on the remove everything. It means that you will remove all the application and system files that are in the C drive, also your personal file too. So you cannot recover anything from C drive and your computer will be. After doing this also, if your computer is not reset, then you have to install new OS in your PC. So for that you can use Windows Media Creation tool to install the new OS in your PC, or you can install a new Windows on your PC. After that you have to go to my blog. In the same post you will find a download option over here in the last of the post. So just click on the download. So you will find a stellar data recovery tool over here. So you have to just download this software. So as you see that our software is downloading over here. So you have to extract this file over here. So click on the extract file. So if you are unable to extract this file, then you have to install the WinRAR on your PC. Okay, so when you reset your PC you will not get WinRAR. So first of all you have to install the WinRAR on your PC. So after that you have to go for the OK. Now you need a password to extract this file, so use as a tlover. Also I have kept this password in the blog also, so you can check in my blog also for this password. So after clicking on the password you have to go for the OK. So your file has been extracted over here. So now you have to move for the folder. Now you have to install this software. So you can simply install this software by clicking. You can select your language. So just I recommend you to use English. Accept the term and license and click on the next again. So you have to go for the next and you have to now click on the install. So we have successfully installed this software, but before closing this or finishing this software you have to uncheck this launch stellar data recovery from this box and you have to go for the finish. So now we have to crack this software. So for cracking your software you have to click on the crack, and here is a two system file. One is 64-bit and next one is 32-bit. So if your computer is 32-bit, use into 86, and if you have 64-bit on your PC then use 64-bit. So I have 64-bit. I'll click on the 64. Now you have to go for the DR folder. So you have to copy this file. So just go one step back on the respective folder and you have to paste this file over here. So altogether we have 4 files over here. You have to collect these 4 files. So just copy this 4 files. Now minimize this file and you have to go for the stellar data recovery on our desktop. Right click on the software. Go for the open file location. So simply paste the 4 files that we have copy. Here you have to replace this destination file. It will ask for the administration permission. You have to click on the OK. It takes some time, but you have successfully added this file. Before starting the stellar data recovery software, you have to create a shortcut for this stellar data recovery. Create a shortcut and it will ask you to create a shortcut in the desktop. So just click on the S, minimize this, and you will find a two software in the desktop. So you have to keep the shortcut one and you have to delete the original one. Now you have to run this software. So running this software, you have to just double tap on the software. Here, if you have successfully cracked the software, then you will find on the top of this stellar data recovery, there is no option for the demo. So if you haven't cracked the software, then you will see a demo in the top of the stellar data recovery professional. Okay, so please watch the full video so that you will not miss any part and you will not able to crack this software. Okay, now this is the place where you can get the data from. Now before going for any data, you have to click on the respective data individually. It means that if you want the old Excel or PPT file, then you have to just click on the office document only at once. If you go for the all data, then you might recover a large number of data and it takes a lot of time for the recovery. So I do not suggest you to click on this all data at once. So if you want the photos first, then just click on these photos only and go for the next option. So if you want audio, then just click on the audio and go for the next, respectively for the videos and other folders, also an office document over here. Now I just need the photos to be recovered, so I'll just click on the photos only and I'll go for the next option. So just click on the next. Now here you have to select a drive from which you have to recover your data. So if you have used any protection on your drive, then you have to remove the protection from your drive. Select the respective drive. So here I want to recover the data from this F drive. Okay, so just click on the F drive, and before going for the scan over here, you have to just go for the deep scan right on the left corner of your screen. Now you can go for the scan. So it takes some time. So it takes times to scan your PC. It might take 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or half an hour. That depends upon your space of your hard disk or SSD. So here it is showing that it takes 56 minutes and 6 seconds to scan this all file from this for only photos only. Okay, so let's wait for this time, and after that I'll again back with you. Complete the scan over here. So we can found that 475 files are found in 30 folder with 1.26 GB of data can be recovered. So we'll recover this file. So the more file you have, the more you will recover over here. So just close this file and you have to uncheck this file name and you have to uncheck on this respective drive. So after that the main thing you have to do is you have to just go for the raw data, and you can find the image in JPG and PNG only. So if you select other extension, then you are just wasting your time. You will find the data in raw data folder only, and next is PNG and JPG. So if you want the OD file, then you will find a folder of OD, and if you need an Excel file, then you will find a folder with the Excel. So respectively for the Photoshop, you will find PST or any extension format that you needed over here. So this is how you can get this data. So here we have some image. So here we have some image over here. So we'll recover this image. So for recovering your data, you have to choose recover and you have to click on the browse. So here remember this, you cannot recover the data from the same drive. It means that if you want to recover the data from D and you will just select the D drive to save your data, then it will not be acceptable. So if you are recovering the data from D, then you have to click on the C drive to save this data. So I'll just go for this PC and here in the desktop, and I'll create a new folder with name recover. So after that I'll select this folder, I'll go for the start saving. So it will not take a lot of time, that depend upon your data that can be recovered over here. Okay, so here successfully our data has been recovered. Now we'll look for the image that has been recovered over here. So just go for the recover folder and go for the root and go for the raw data again and JPG and PNG. So first of all we will go for the JPG, and finally we have recovered the data from this. So as you see that this image also contain the quality. So when you click on these photos, then you can find the quality of this image also. So no quality has been decreased during the data recovery process. So in this way you can recover the data. Respectively, you have to go for the home, and here you have to select the respective drive, and you have to select the respective audio or respective video or Excel or PPT file over here. So you have to click on this thing, and you have to go for the next and select the respective drive and go for the scan, and it will take some time and you can recover the file. So if you need any help for this, then you can directly make a contact with me in tlover2054 in Instagram, having any confusion or any question that you may ask for me. Also, I have kept the other medium in the website, in the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or WhatsApp also. Okay, so if you like this video, then please hit on the like option, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also click on the bell icon for our latest update. Thanks for watching this video. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe will value your support. Thank you.